Hello guys!
So me and Michelle will play Weird Street Tag.
Yes, Slay! I'm kind of scared if the dad literally chasing me out and scream like an eagle. Or I'm not lying. Not totally lying. I literally
I got my t-shirt purple. How grateful.
How about mine? What is the color of mine?
Green.
No. I think we swap. Kanina purple ako eh. Tapos kanina green ka. I want to go. Let me go.
Uy, balita. Ano to? Yung...
Hello.
Yung sa Blacksbridge. Sabi na take the evidence.
Trust that evidence. Eh? Wow, why I'm literally lagging. Yes. Whenever I walk, it's super jiggly.
You know?
When I walk, not joking, it's kinda jiggly. Like, my bro, the game saying bye bye. Ah!
Hurry up. Hurry up.
Not noodles. The noodles are not noodles. There, finally.
You're crouching.
That's why I'm so jiggly.
Wait.
I want to. No, I don't like to. My seat. Hey, sita na rin. Balita. Umutot. Aksok saret. Tumikas. Balita. Umutot. Yeah, I don't care that. Or that will be angry. I don't care. So what are we gonna do?
Sabay.
Okay. And I'll check the city bay.
Ang cute. Tingnan mo.
Ha. Oh, where?
Where's the light here?
Okay. Hey, you left me.
So let me use critical.
You're acting like Oliver.
So,
I remember Edward. Edward, turn off the lights. Just like
take it
Edward.
though.
Is this your twin? That absolutely look like you in. Can you open? Mother, can you open?
POV Oliver.
Oh! Turn on the lights! Turn on the lights! Somebody put up the...
The aircon is blowing smoke.
Let me try. You're right. So,
Stay ka lang dyan.
okay. I'll go sleepy.
Sino ba dito? Si Mako, si si Bella. Ha? Sino? Oo. Si Bella, di mo buntis na yan?
Oh, I was sleeping. What's that? The vine?
Yeah, oops.
Ikaw.
Tingnan. I can do it all the work, bro.
Bruh, I'm so scared.
Bro, you're older than me. It's just a game.
So you're tapang than me.
Bro. Stick ko lang, stick ko.
Me.
May apple pa yan, di ba? Yan, ito na tayo. Ha?
Possessed? So he's gonna fly? Like, kids, I'm checking. Ano yan?
Boo!
The way he runs.
Diba? Kaya mag-crouch ka lang.
But I cannot.
That's, I think we're gonna ignore that guy. Hi guys!
Kala ko sabi daw. At it's.
Crouch ka lang.
Yeah, I am. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Like
When the
brother,
dad
like
wakes up,
sister.
he'll be the other way and in literally fighting what
He's like me, my brother. Like, that's me and I kiki my brother. He's like be like, na Tomas.
Theory all the way and ano, Oliver and then the sleeping but they could sleep fine.
Kung ano, lahat 50 pesos.
Oh my gosh, there's everywhere.
Kunin mo yung cube na sa'yo. Pakita mo sa
I am hungry. Whatever to you. There's a skibidi toilet.
Hmm?
My eyes are blurry.
I am you.
Heavily breathing.
Can I jump? Earlier I just jumped.
trabaho daw. Mataba.
Okay.
Trabaho mo ba?